That's where we came from. Just started coming down our canyon. And that's what it's doing, it's filling the pothole. Right underneath me. Now it's filled the pothole.